In today's world, where we are constantly exposed to various viruses and bacteria, it's essential to boost our immunity. Immunity is one of the most important factors that determines our overall health and well-being. In this article, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks to help you boost your immunity and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight off infections and diseases. Aim to include a variety of colors in your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Additionally, incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for optimal immune function. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise has been shown to enhance immune function by increasing the circulation of immune cells in the body. Exercise can also help to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to chronic diseases and weaken the immune system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Strength training exercises can also be beneficial for building muscle mass and promoting overall health. Get enough sleep. Getting enough restorative sleep is vital for maintaining a healthy immune system. During sleep, the body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help to fight off infections and inflammation. Sleep deprivation has been linked to a higher risk of infections and chronic illnesses. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep routine to help improve the quality of your sleep. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact the immune system by increasing the production of stress hormones, which can suppress immune function. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Additionally, engaging in activities that bring you joy and practicing self-care can also help to manage stress. Wash your hands. Hand hygiene is a simple yet effective way to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Be sure to wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after being in public spaces or touching commonly shared surfaces. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. In summary, incorporating healthy lifestyle habits into your daily routine is crucial for maintaining a strong and resilient immune system. Eating a healthy and balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, getting enough restorative sleep, managing stress levels, and practicing good hand hygiene are all simple yet effective ways to boost your immunity and maintain a healthier you.